Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an amazing product that's been making waves in the world of nail care. If you're looking to achieve stronger, healthier nails, you won't want to miss this review. We're talking about the CND SolarOil Cuticle Oil, a natural blend of nourishing oils designed to moisturize and condition your nails and cuticles. Let's dive right in. Let's start by taking a closer look at the CND SolarOil Cuticle Oil. This product comes in a convenient 0.25 ounces bottle and is packed with a synergistic blend of natural oils, including jojoba, vitamin E, rice bran, and sweet almond oils. It's Amazon's choice for cuticle oils by CND, and it's easy to see why. With over 30,000 ratings and 130 answered questions, this product has garnered quite a following. So, what sets the CND SolarOil apart from the rest? Well, it's all about the benefits. This product is specially formulated to deeply penetrate and condition both your skin and nails. It keeps your nails tough and flexible, making them less prone to breakage. Whether you have weak, brittle nails or you simply want to maintain healthy ones, this cuticle oil has got you covered. Now, let's talk ingredients. The CND SolarOil is made with naturally light oils and vitamin E, known for their moisturizing and nourishing properties. The best part? These ingredients absorb quickly, instantly revitalizing your nails and cuticles. To use, simply apply it daily to the top and underside of your nails and massage it into the surrounding skin. It's that easy. Of course, don't just take our word for it. Let's see what customers are saying about this product. As you can see, customers are raving about the CND SolarOil, with many reporting significant improvements in the health and strength of their nails. It's clear that this product is making a real difference in people's nail care routines. If you're looking to level up your nail care game, consider bundling the CND SolarOil with other complementary products like the Butter London Melt-Away Cuticle Exfoliator or the Cuticle Natural Revitalizing Hydrating Oil. These combinations can provide you with a complete nail care regimen. In conclusion, the CND SolarOil Cuticle Oil is a must-try product for anyone looking to achieve stronger, healthier nails. With its natural blend of nourishing oils, easy application, and rave customer reviews, it's no wonder it's Amazon's choice in the cuticle oil category. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried the CND SolarOil or have any questions about it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest and greatest products we have to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.